Good morning, students. Today we'll study about indicators for testing acids and bases. Now, first of all, let us know what is an indicator. An indicator gives different colors when reacted or added to acids and bases. There are three most common natural indicators used to test the acids and the bases, and these are litmus, methyl orange, and phenolphthalein. Now let us see the classification based on the property of indicator. Indicators showing different colorism, acids and basic medium. Indicators giving different odors in acidic and basic medium. Let's see first natural indicators. Natural indicators means the indicator which is extracted from living body. We can define natural indicator as it is extracted from nature. For example, leaves of plants and lichen. It is litmus solution obtained from plants and made into blue litmus and red litmus. Another natural indicator is turmeric, which is used in kitchen. Now let's see how lichen looks like. This is the image you can see, students. It's a lichen. You know, lichen is a fungus and it belongs to the division Thallophyta. It is commonly used as an indicator when the litmus solution is neither acidic or basic. Its color is purple. It means litmus is extracted from the plant lichen, which is a natural indicator. Now, synthetic indicators. Synthetic indicators are artificial compounds manufactured in industries. Most common synthetic indicators are methyl orange and phenolphthalein. The neutral color of methyl orange is orange, whereas neutral color of phenolphthalein is colorless. Remember, the neutral color of methyl orange is orange, whereas neutral color of phenolphthalein is colorless. Litmus gives red color in acidic medium and blue color in basic medium. Methyl orange gives orange color in neutral solution, yellow color in acidic medium, and red color in basic medium. Phenolphthalein gives no color in neutral solution, colorless in acidic medium, and pink color in basic medium. So these are the common indicators which we use in laboratory to determine that what is the nature of the given solution, whether it is acidic or basic in nature, which we can recognize easily by seeing change in color. Now look at the image. This is the chart where the heading you can see acids, alkalis and the pH scale. Alkalis are water soluble base. Acids and alkalis can be determined by using another synthetic indicator which is known as pH scale or universal pH indicator. pH mathematically can be defined as negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration. It means when we want to determine acidic or basic nature by using pH scale, this is done on the basis of comparison between hydronium ion concentration and hydroxyl ion concentration. We can easily understand by pH scale when it shows pH less than 7 means the solution is acidic in nature. Look at the scale. Here pH scale is there on the image. So you will see that 7, the number 7 pH is neutral, is for neutral solution. When pH becomes less than 7, it turns slowly acidic. First it will turn green to yellow, yellow to orange, orange to red, and then deep red. It means acidic character is increasing. In terms of ions, we can also explain when concentration of hydrogen ion or hydronium ion is more than concentration of hydroxyl ion, then the solution becomes acidic in nature. We can also say that more the number of hydrogen ion, more is the acidic nature of the given solution. One example you can see, it is written here 0 pH and a battery acid. Example is there. Battery acid is actually sulfuric acid. Above that you can see on the image at pH 1 stomach acid. And you know students, the stomach acid means hydrochloric acid, which is a strong acid. At pH 2 you can see lemon juice, it's an acid, and so on. Other examples are also given. Where you can see on the image at pH 7, which shows neutral with green color, the straight against to the pH 7 pure water is kept. And you know very well pure water is neutral because concentration of hydrogen ion is always equals to concentration of hydroxyl ion. One more thing is clearly shown over here, that is concentration of hydrogen ion in molarity, that is 1 multiply 10 to the power minus 7. Now see the scale to the upside direction. When pH increases more than 7, or when pH of a solution becomes more than 7, green color slowly turns into blue, deep blue, and deeper blue. That means the solution is becoming alkaline in nature. When we say solution is alkaline, it means concentration of hydrogen ion decreases and concentration of hydroxyl ion increases. See one of the very simple example which is available at home. We can see here at pH 9, one example is shown here, baking soda. This baking soda is available at home. Its formula you have studied, student, that is NaHCO3. Baking soda is alkaline in nature, you have studied, and its pH is approximately 9. Now see one more interesting example which is given at pH 10, antacid tablets. Antacid tablets have basic nature. Whenever we are suffering from acidity in our stomach, so we take antacid tablet. Since these tablets are basic in nature, therefore they gives relief us in the problem of acidity. Next example is another very interesting example, students, and this is soap. pH of soap is approximately 11, and you know soaps are basic in nature. And the last example which I want to discuss here is drain cleaner. It is actually used to open the drainage pipes, and it is basic in nature. So this is your pH scale, which is also known as universal indicator. It is used to determine whether the given solution or the substance is acidic or basic or say neutral in nature. Thank you.